Let's build a $630 budget gaming PC. First, for the CPU, we'll go with the Ryzen 5 5510. Affordable, reliable, has 6 cores, 12 threads, and can run most games at even 18p. For the motherboard, we'll take the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi. For the GPU, we'll take the RTX 3050 6GB, a great card that can handle most modern games at 1080p. 6GB can be a little limiting though. For the RAM, we'll take the PNY XLR8 Gaming 8x2. RAM prices are crazy right now, and there are no signs of it going down soon. For the power supply, we'll take the MSI Mag A650BE 65080 Plus Bronze. Great, reliable, future-proofable. For the CPU cooler, we'll get the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE V2. The Ryzen 5 5500 doesn't need much cooling, a basic air cooler is enough. For the case, we'll take the Dark Flash ITX. Decent ITX case will look good with our micro ATX motherboard, and it comes with 3A RGB fans pre-installed. Finally, for the SSD, we'll have the Western Digital 500GB WD Blue SA510 SATA. 500GB may not be enough storage for you, but for the price, it's decent speed and decent capacity. Finally, our total is $626.43, a little below our budget. If you want more videos like this, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment.